Let's learn how to delete Nikki Live account. Hello, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to delete Nikki Live account. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Nikki Live account on your mobile device. The next is to click on the Me option found at the bottom of your screen. Click on the settings icon found at the top right corner of your screen. Click on account security. So at this point, all you have to do is to bind the account. You can bind the account with your phone number, Google account, your Facebook, or your email. If your account is not bind to any of this, you won't be able to delete your account. Having bind your account, the next thing you have to do is a code will be sent to you, and when you receive the code, you have to set your password. Having set your password, then you have to click on account cancellation in order to be able to cancel your account. When I say cancel your account, I mean you'll be able to delete your account from Nikki Live. So guys, I hope with this guide you'll be able to delete Nikki Live account. If this video was helpful, do all to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.